In this video, we'll demonstrate essential service and repair steps on the Variably Adjustable Seat, VAS, of Juvo Power Wheelchairs. The VAS system offers several power seat functions, including power seat tilt, power seat height adjustment, power back angle adjustment, and power leg rests. These functions can be installed individually or in combination, making the VAS a complex seat system with multiple actuators. In this video, we'll show how to replace actuators for the seat tilt, seat height adjustment, and back angle adjustment. We begin with the replacement of the seat tilt actuator. Before starting, ensure the control device is switched off and the main fuse is deactivated. Start by removing the seat plate. Remove the lock rings on the bolts of the seat tilt and pull out both bolts to release the actuator. Note the position of the cable fixing and remove it. Then disconnect the actuator cable. Take note of the cable routing and remove the actuator together with the cable. Reinstall in reverse order. We now show how to replace the actuator for the power seat height adjustment. Shown here with the seat height adjustment extended, as this makes the procedure easier. Before starting, secure the seat against falling using suitable means. In this example, 2 wooden blocks are used to lock the lift mechanism. Then detach the rear actuator mount from the seat frame. At the front mount, remove the retaining screw and pull out the pin. After releasing the cable fixings, remove the actuator. Reinstallation is performed in the reverse order. In this case, the actuator must be extended to the required installation length before fitting. If the bolts are stuck, carefully drive them out using a suitable pin punch. The next step shows how to replace the actuator for the power back angle adjustment. To access the actuator connections, first remove the cover from the seat module. The cover is secured with 4 snap lock pins. If any pins are damaged, replace them with new ones. Next, release the cable fixings and disconnect the actuator. After removing the upper bolt, fold the actuator backward. Open the retaining mechanism on the lower pin and remove the actuator. Reinstallation is carried out in the reverse sequence. During reassembly, follow all manufacturer-specified safety measures. Apply the prescribed torque values and reapply thread lock to all screw connections that were originally secured with it. Depending on the manufacturer's specifications, wear parts must be replaced, and certain components, such as nuts, must not be reused. Damaged parts must be inspected and either repaired or replaced. After service or repair, the product must again meet all safety and performance standards for its intended use. Information on the required tools, torque values, and detailed work steps can be found in the product-specific documentation, including the service manual and the instructions for qualified personnel.